Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start now. Charge the case to full and the buds to at least 50% so you have stable power for resets. You will forget the Airpods in your device Bluetooth settings. This severs any software glitches. Once done, do a visual and contact cleaning. Dirt causes poor charging and phantom drains. The reset clears pairing data and a lot of battery hogging states, and cleaning restores proper contact. You are preparing both hardware and software for the next steps. Now reset the Airpods. Close the lid, hold the case button about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, and reconnect. This reinitializes the firmware handshake. Make sure your phone and AirPods firmware are up to date because outdated firmware can mismanage power. Once paired, disable automatic ear detection and quit background audio apps. These features often keep the chips awake. By adjusting these settings, you reduce constant wake cycles and let the buds enter deeper sleep. Finish by monitoring battery behavior for a full 24 hours using the battery widget so you can see left, right, and case levels. That data tells you whether a bud or the case is faulty. If you still see fast drain, repeat the reset and test the Airpods with another phone to isolate device-specific issues. If the problem persists after these steps, contact Apple or authorized service for battery diagnostics or replacement. This avoids wasting time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.